Number 2. Google Nest Indoor-Outdoor Cam. Versatility takes center stage with the Google Nest Indoor-Outdoor Cam 2 Endogen. This camera adapts seamlessly to any setting, whether you place it inside your home or outside in the yard. Rain or shine, you can trust its performance, as it handles various weather conditions quite well. One standout feature is its AI detection capability. This smart assistant differentiates between people, animals, and vehicles. If you opt for a subscription, familiar face alerts become an option, ensuring you receive only the most relevant notifications. You'll appreciate the crisp 1080p video quality alongside two-way audio. This feature allows real-time communication, perfect for keeping tabs on pets or checking in on family members. Night vision with HDR ensures clarity, even in low light. Removing the camera from its magnetic base for recharging is also a breeze, simplifying maintenance. Integration with Google Home enhances your smart ecosystem. However, it remains compatible with Alexa users, offering flexibility and voice control. One aspect to consider is the 3-hour video storage provided without a subscription. While it's a generous offer, users must act quickly to save footage, ensuring vigilance. This encourages proactive security management. What shines through this camera is its intuitive design and reliable performance. Once you experience the convenience and advanced features, you won't look back. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.